Elgato Stream Deck XL Advanced Studio Controller. 30 macro keys, trigger actions in apps and software like OBS, Twitch, YouTube, and more. Works with Mac and PC. Brand Elgato. Connectivity technology USB. Connector type USB. Special feature 30 customizable LCD keys. Resolution 8K. Supported internet services Spotify, YouTube. Controller type button control. Form factor TV box. Color 30 keys. Model name Elgato Stream Deck XL Advanced Stream Control. 30 customizable LCD keys. Advanced live production. Easily control your favorite tools and platforms. 30 customizable LCD keys. Instantly trigger unlimited actions with a tap. Powerful integrations Elgato for KCU, OBS, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Discord, Spotify, Philips Hue, vMix, Voice Mod, and more. One-touch operation. Change scenes. Launch media. Switch cameras. Tweak lighting. Adjust audio. Post tweets. Anything. Visual feedback. Know that your command has been executed. Presenting your best has never been this easy. We all want to be more professional online, but complex tech isn't for everyone. So we made Neo. Plug, unplay tools made for what matters most: clear sound, great video, smart controls. Whether you're presenting a business plan or podcasting about plants, Neo is whatever you make it. Everything you need to work and create like a boss, no matter your setup. Elgato Wave Neo, USB condenser microphone. Tap to mute for gaming, streaming, meetings, voice R. Elgato Stream Deck Neo, 8 customizable keys. To touch points, speed through tasks and workflows. See Elgato Key Light Neo, professional video call light. No glare, adjustable monitor mount. Manual. Elgato Facecam Neo, full HD webcam with easy slide privacy shutter. Light correction for video. Get started with Neo. Serious about sustainability. A real commitment, 100% plastic-free packaging. Less color to reduce waste and conserve water. Made of over 60% recycled plastic.